Welcome to Restomate. Today we will walk you through POS installation and activation process. Navigate to Restomate Cloud, scroll down to find the direct links for downloading the desktop Restomate POS for Windows. Once the download completes, open your system's Downloads folder to find the Restomate POS. Double-click the application, Windows Defender will open. Click on More Info and click Run Anyway. Review the installation path and click Next. Ensure that the full installation option is selected and select Create Desktop shortcut. The installation is now progressing through the final stages. Wait for the green bar to reach the end and select Launch Restomate POS and click Finish. Now your POS application will open. We need license to activate the POS application. So we navigate to the Web Admin dashboard. By login to your Restomate admin website. After navigating to Admin dashboard, scroll down and click on Settings. Click on Device Licenses and click Generate License for your POS. Select device type and branch. Click Generate to create your license key. Click on Copy to copy license to clipboard. Finally, apply this key within the POS application to complete the activation. Your Restomate POS is now fully operational. Select Employee and enter PIN to login into the POS. Now, click on POS and start using it. Thank you for using Restomate.